Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Netflix channel. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to access service mode on your JVC TV. If you're looking to make some technical adjustments on your TV, service mode is the place to go, but remember it is important to follow each step carefully. Now, before we get started, a quick reminder: service mode is designed for advanced settings and adjustments. So only make changes if you're certain about what you're doing. Incorrect settings can affect your TV's performance. Alright, let's get started. Here's how you can open service mode on your JVC TV. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. First, make sure your TV is on. You can turn it on by pressing the power button on your remote. Step 2. Next, press the menu key on your remote. This will open the user menu panel on your screen. Step 3. Now, here is the key part to enter service mode. Use your remote and press the code 4725 twice in a row. You should now see the service mode menu appear on your screen. Once you are in service mode, you can navigate using your remote's menu up and down keys. To make any adjustments, use the right and left arrow keys on your remote. And if you ever need to go back to a previous menu, just hit the back button. When you are done with your changes, press the menu key to exit service mode and return to the main user menu. And that's it. You have now accessed service mode on your JVC TV. Just remember, be cautious with any adjustments to avoid unwanted changes to your TV settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.